This video, you will learn how to set up QuickBooks Desktop and new company setup. Setting up a new company in QuickBooks Desktop is a straightforward process. This involves a few key steps. First, you need to launch the QuickBooks app and select the option to create a new company. The setup wizard can guide you through the basic company information such as your business name, address, and tax ID number. Then, you will be prompted to choose your industry, which allows QuickBooks to customize the chart of accounts settings based on your specific needs of your business. After that, you'll be able to set up your financial year. Select your preferred account method, such as accrual or cash, and configure your company's preferences, such as invoice or payment terms. You can finally import any existing data, such as customers, vendors, and opening balances. Once you've completed, your company is ready to start tracking its finances, generating reports, and managing day-to-day operations in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.